our priority should be the poor and the homeless. Tapos paaalisin nila doon sa lupa yung poor, lalagyan nila ng condominium, saan nila dadalhin yung poor? So I'm telling the secretary what is our experience in Las
sabay na trabahuin
Hindi
ito
pwede
with
sabay.
government funds,
Kasi
prioritizing
yung
housing for the
mahihirap,
poor.
nakatira doon sa lupa, natatayuan nila ng condominium. Saan dadalhin yung mahihirap na cannot afford the condominium?
Sabi nga po ng DSUD na pati ang condominium ay for the poor as long as may interest subsidy. So sinusubukan po ng department
They're telling
mag-innovate
me it's
sa mga
4,000 a
programa.
month.
Hindi daw po, Mr. President, but I'll get
Hindi
the updated
totoo yun.
figure on
Yun
that.
ang pinopromote nila, 4,000 a month.
2,600 a month. So
O,
not
do
4,000
you think the
pesos.
poor can afford 2,600 a month when they're earning only below 500 a day? I just want the DSUD to reconsider their condominium concept for the poor. Kasi parang hindi kaya ng mga mahihirap.
Hindi sila beneficiary.
That is what will happen. Oh. Whereas if yung lupa dinivide sa kanila, 500 a month lang.
So it's
Hindi
in
nga nila
obedience pa rin.
ma-afford eh.
That's where this comes in, Mr. President.
Hindi nila ma-afford eh.
Yun
That's
yung,
the problem.
Mr. President, kung naalala po ng Good Gentlewoman, last year, sinimula na programa na
They're
sinusuportahan
coming
natin,
back to
tulad
us
ng
and they're
CMP.
promoting that, and I don't think that's practical.
That
That's
is
why I'm questioning you para mag-isip kayo uli kung tama yung ginagawa nyo, kasi nakalagay sa mandate nyo to help the poor and the homeless. Why not distribute the land under the community mortgage program na 500 a month lang ang ano nila? But ayaw nyo nun. Hindi sila magigibado sa land where they are staying now, and they're willing to pay for the land. Gagamitin mo sa condominium kung yung lang land lang na murang-mura hindi mo magawa. Anong model yun sa condominium?
ang priority po ng DSUD kasi, hindi yung lupa lang. Gusto ng secretary ay pag bumili ng lupa, magtatayo din po ng bahay na may government
Okay lang yung
guarantee.
condominium kung kanila. Kaso kukunin nila yung lupa ng mga informal settler. Tatayuan nila ng condominium. Where will the informal settler go?
Pero
And they
that-
cannot afford the condominium. Paaalisin nila doon. Saan nila dadalhin?
Hindi po pa
Paalisin eh.
particular sa Las Piñas.
The
So paano po
condominium will
natin
not solve the
tutugunan
problem
yung
of the
problema?
poor. They cannot afford the condominium. I'm telling you. We have seen it.
Actually,
Now,
Mr.
their homes are 4 stories kasi dahan-dahan nila 30 years, dahan-dahan nilang binild.
Precisely,
They have their
Mr.
own
President.
condominium on a
Yes, Mr.
small
President.
land.
Yung sinasabi po ng gentlewoman, yun po yung pinupuntahan ko. Consistent
Pero
dun sa mid-rise na condominium na sinasabi na
But,
I hear
they
the good
only
gentlewoman,
paid
Mr. President.
500 pesos for the land. That they can afford. O, later on, magsisave sila. Pag lumaki ang anak nila, nakakasave sila, then slowly they build their homes there on the land. But ang sinasabi ko, don't deprive them of the land because you want to build condominium.
Yes, Mr.
They cannot
President.
afford the condominium.
Man sa ganyang
I just
advokasya
want that practice
at-
na wag nilang bobolahin yung mga mahihirap na aalis kayo dyan, bibigyan namin kayo ng kondo. Akala nila libre yung kondo, hindi nila alam, babayaran nila yon, and they cannot afford it. I know they cannot afford it. Oo. So, give them the option. Sila mamili kung gusto nila, lupa lang ibigay sa kanila, o buildan sila ng kondo, di ba? And many of them would prefer na bigyan na lang sila ng lupa and mag-save na lang sila to build houses on the land in the future. Kasi nagawa na sa amin yon. So why are they changing the model? Yun lang ang question ko.
Kailangan talaga ng funding mula sa GAA na historically hindi po naibibigay
No,
po ang CMP.
we,
Pati po,
we
yes,
can
Mr. President?
approach government financing institution to buy the land, and then the people will pay amortization for the land. Hindi naman kailangan manggaling sa GAA yun eh. Paano ba ginawa yung NHA na walang down payment tapos 700 ang hulog, may mga ginagawa, inililipat ko yun sa inyo sa NAIC eh.
Laging
Punta sa
nandun pa
amin,
rin ang
ang
GLAD.
sabi 4,000.
Hindi po, not according to this table ng DSUD. Okay. Kasi Oh, definitely, good gentlewoman. Mr. President. Mm-mm.
Just a point of order.
Senator
Your
Sither,
Honor,
can you please use the mic so we can hear you?
Thank you,
Yeah,
Mr.
I'm
President.
just protecting the people living on the informal settlers. They are being deceived that they will be given condominium. Akala nila free yun. Pagpunta nila sa Las Piñas, kasama pa nila Shopsy. Oh. So, who are doing that?
Mr. President, as I was saying kanina, bukod dun sa
Yung kasama
may
nila contractor. Oh. Yung contractor, nagagawa ng building. Bakit kasama contractor? Ha?
Mr. President,
Ano yan,
as-
negosyo? Ha? Na i-deprive ang poor ng mga lupa nila, tapos ninegosyohin nyo yung lupa? Ano yon? But may contractor at ano yon, ibebenta. Sabi nila, how are you able to buy? You have to apply sa Pag-ibig. And if you're rejected, you are not entitled.
Mr. President, as I said earlier, kahit kay Secretary mukhang may problema doon sa Las Piñas, and as in previous years, we should, yes, well, it's a good example to gain practical lessons from. So baka kailangan nating tugunan on the ground. Pero gusto ko ring i-make of record na yung binanggit ng good gentlewoman na 700 pesos amortization ay hindi na po nalalayo dun sa nakikitang posible ng department with amortization subsidy. Hihingian pa natin ng GAA support yan. At halos wala ding... Yes, Mr. President?
The senators would want you to manifest in writing that the people, the poor and the homeless will have an option to choose whether they want a condominium or a CMP program.